Welcome home. Welcome to Stuttgart, the beating heart of Mercedes-Benz, and welcome to the Mercedes-Benz Museum. This is the perfect setting to celebrate a car that has always set the tone. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the new S-Class. In the largest product launch plan in our company's history, the S-Class takes center stage. As the flagship of the brand, it brings our strategy to life, creating the most desirable cars in every segment, with the top-end vehicles at the heart of our business. The S-Class is impressive on its own, so let me hand over to Jörg to tell you why.
Thank you, Matthias. Innovation within tradition, that's the S-Class way. So while it looks timeless and familiar, like an S-Class should, more than half of this car is new or updated. This is why we say we refined every detail. And we've made sure that every detail tells a story.
And that story starts right here. Our flagship has always embodied intelligence and beauty. And we have taken all of that to an entirely new level. The S-Class comes with more status than ever, defined by a larger illuminated grille crowned with a shining star. At our Factory 56 on the other side of town, every second S-Class rolling off the line is crafted with a manufacturer option, a true expression of individuality. That's why we've pushed personalization to a whole new level, offering hundreds of combinations of colors, materials, and stitching.
Yes, it's absolutely beautiful. And the tech of the new S-Class is just as impressive. For example, we engineered a digital light that increases the illumination field by about 40%. The light adapts in an intelligent way and anticipates the road ahead, making your drive even safer. That's the engineering underneath the emotion.
Well, emotion is exactly the point. The exterior makes a statement, the interior welcomes you. The S-Class embodies our brand promise like no other. The moment you open the door and step inside, you instantly feel at home.
And the heart of that home is my personal highlight of the interior, the MBUX Superscreen, beautifully integrated beneath glass. Behind the beauty, it runs on our operating system MBOS for the first time. More on that later. And in the rear, the first class compartment with executive seating transforms into whatever you need it to be. A living room with streaming, a boardroom with video conferencing, or your private concert hall. This car focuses on an outstanding experience no matter where you sit.
And to deliver that outstanding experience, we carefully listened to the wishes of our top-end customers. They keep telling us that the S-Class makes them feel truly elevated, and that driving is an experience unlike anything else in the world. Jörg, you and the entire team have created something incredible here.
That's true, Matthias. The team has done a fantastic job, and I'm very, very proud of that team. The new S-Class represents the most comprehensive powertrain update within a single generation, from an all-new electrified V8 to the plug-in hybrid with up to 100 kilometers of electric range. Every engine is now electrified and future-ready. But the true revolution is happening inside the car with MBOS, our Mercedes-Benz operating system. Think of it as a supercomputer that connects everything in the car. Of course, this enables over-the-air updates, so your S-Class evolves and becomes more intelligent over time. For example, the MBUX virtual assistant works with multiple AI agents like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. MBOS also powers our advanced Level 2 automated parking and driving features. As you monitor and remain attentive, your Mercedes navigates safely through traffic thanks to MB-Drive Assistant Pro. And we are not stopping there. Towards the end of this year, we will roll out a hands off the wheel, eyes on the road feature for even more driving comfort on the highway. And we are also working on an advanced drive pilot system for level 3 driving with an extended framework for use called ODD.
And that commitment to innovation, that has always been at the heart of what we do. That's why for many customers, the S-Class is the best car in the world, and frankly, we agree. In shaping the next generation, we have been guided by exactly the wishes of these customers. More status, more individuality, more comfort, more safety, and more intelligence.
And to be the best, you have to be at the top, at the forefront of innovation. While we've shown you what the S-Class can do for you today, we are already pioneering what it will be capable of tomorrow. As you've just seen, our ambition is to enable level 4 capabilities for the S-Class in collaboration with some of the best partners in the world. So, why the S-Class? Because it's a perfect blend for a robotaxi platform. Unmatched comfort and safety combined with the intelligence of MB.OS. So let me explain. The S-Class enables what is known as fail-safe operations. It integrates redundancies for steering, braking, compute, and power supply. When combined with MB.OS, it results in the perfect launchpad for a driverless shuttle service. Creating an open ecosystem requires the best minds in the industry. For example, we're partnering with NVIDIA for hardware and with software leaders such as Momenta and NVIDIA for level 4 capabilities. Ride services like Uber and Lumo will bring the experience to the streets. The first S-Class test vehicles in Abu Dhabi will be deployed on the roads later this year, with more locations in America, Europe, and Asia to follow. For us, these partnerships mark the beginning of our entry into the robotaxi market. And the S-Class with MB.OS is the ultimate platform for level 4 driving. Comfortable and safe, because that has been part of our DNA for more than 140 years. So, the robotaxi future is coming, and the S-Class is at the heart of it. But tonight, I let someone else take the wheel while I enjoy what makes this car truly special. So, ladies and gentlemen, see you later and enjoy the rest of the show. And you, Matthias, enjoy your time on stage. Thank you very much.
Top-end vehicles don't follow trends. They define them. They are how we maintain the desirability of our brand. This car will bring our brand promise, welcome home, on the road. Well, quite literally. We'll celebrate our anniversary with an epic journey that spans the entire world. The S-Class will visit 140 places across continents, cultures, and communities. Along the way, we will meet Mercedes-Benz customers, fans, and friends, and tell their stories. I have to say, I'm a little bit jealous of our drivers who are here with us tonight.